iPhone 14 is expected to be released in a few months if everything goes right. At this point, rumors are getting stronger day by day. And recently, a new render video shows us what the iPhone 14 Pro will look like. It might come with the biggest changes, including a sleeker design, a faster chipset, and most importantly, new main camera. To know what's coming more with the iPhone 14, watch our video till the end. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The biggest news on the iPhone 14's design comes from a reliable leaker, John Prosser. Recently, he shared seemingly accurate renders of this upcoming device on his YouTube channel Front Page Tech, giving us an idea of what it could look like if it gets released this year. However, it is worth mentioning that the render is made by Apple concept graphics designer Ian Zelbo. It highlights a broad variety of rumors from many reputable sources, including the design, display, front camera, and CAD renders. Remember these CAD renders that are shared by Shrimp Apple Pro? You can see on the front of the iPhone 14 has a centered pill-shaped and circular true-depth camera array, meaning it might come with a punch hole camera instead of a notch. Furthermore, both Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo also said that the notch will be replaced with a punch-hole camera. In terms of display, it might feature slimmer bezels and a slightly larger display. According to reputable leaker Ming-Chi Kuo, iPhone 14 lineup is expected to be available in two different sizes, including 6.1 and 6.7 inch. Also, there will be two variable refresh rate displays, one is 60Hz and another one is 120Hz. Now, the most noticeable change in the iPhone 14 might be the back camera system. This upcoming smartphone might include a more considerable rear camera array, which contains a new 48-megapixel camera. This camera system will have a 57% larger sensor and 8K shooting capability. Yes, we all know that a larger sensor means more details in the photos, even in the low-light conditions. Let's talk about some specs and features. We are almost certain that the iPhone 14 will come with a new chipset, Bionic A16. However, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, the basic version will have the same chipset as the iPhone 13, and the Pro version will feature a new chipset. We're assuming chip shortage might be the reason for staying at A15. He also said that all four new models will come with 6GB of RAM, but some leaks suggest that both the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max could get 8GB of RAM. For the storage, iPhone 14 might come all the way up to 2TB. In terms of battery, there is no accurate information about it, but we're expecting that the iPhone 14 might come with extended battery life compared to its predecessors. Apple always tends to announce new models around the same time each year, and the iPhone 14 is expected to unveil in September 2022, just like the iPhone 13. The only thing we can do right now is wait till it gets announced. And for the price, Forbes reported that Apple might increase the price of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max by $100, and for the Max version, you will have to pay at least $200 more. Overall, based on all these leaks and rumors, we can say that iPhone 14 will come with a huge upgrade, most importantly the camera system, and for all of these upgrades, it might feature an increased price tag. What do you think? Which rumors will be true? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.